Hi everyone, my name is Mallory Fox. I am a Harrison High School graduate, class of 2016. I started off at Harrison Elementary, made it all the way up through the junior high and the high school, and had a really fun time when I was here. Some of the things that I was a part of when I was at Harrison, definitely I was a basketball player and I did track. I was a thrower for track and field. I was a member of National Honor Society, French Club, I think Flag Club was a thing back then, Student Council, all sorts of fun organizations like that. I really enjoyed a lot of the classes that I got to take at Harrison. I dove deep into the AP courses that were offered junior and senior year, which really set me up to be successful when I went to Otterbein University for undergraduate school. I double majored at Otterbein in zoo and conservation science and biology, and I got a minor in French. After my time at Otterbein, I moved back home to Harrison in 2020 when things got a little bit crazy with COVID, and I served as an AmeriCorps member at the Cincinnati Zoo and Botanical Garden for a couple of years, where I really got into informal education and offering free classes and field trip opportunities to students at the zoo. While I was there, I also had the opportunity to start volunteering in the elephant department, which I loved so much. It's super amazing. While I was at the Cincinnati Zoo, I also started getting my master's degree. I have a master's in biology from Miami University through Project Dragonfly, where they are paired with Cincinnati Zoo and offer hands-on classes at the zoo itself as the education institution, which is really exciting, and it was a whole lot of fun. I really loved that program. It's a nice hybrid program for anyone interested in pursuing a master's because you can work while you're doing it mostly online at the same time. So it was a really nice program to be a part of. And more recently, after I left the zoo, I have been at an organization now called Greenacres Foundation for about almost 3 years. I am still continuing to offer free field trip opportunities as an informal educator with Greenacres. We just have a new location that I moved out to in Batesville, Indiana now, called Michaela Farm. Our education building was literally just finished in November of last year around Thanksgiving time, so we're super excited to be building it up from the ground up, and really hoping to have students from Harrison and all of our other local school areas come to visit us for free field trip opportunities.